Hi everybody! I hope you're all having a good day. I hope you're all smiling and enjoying your lovely day. In this following tutorial, I'm going to be showing you on how to connect StretchSense to VNyan. That way you can send your finger mocap over to VNyan. Now, if you need any more information regarding StretchSense, feel free to check the description below as I'll be sending the link to the StretchSense website, and there are full tutorials over there if you want to check out their product. But do keep in mind though that StretchSense only sends out finger mocap data to complete your full body tracking solution basically. Now, let's go ahead and get started by pressing on the edit button right here and then going to settings. Once you have this window opened up, you're going to then go where VMC streaming is. Remember that this only works on one person at a time, so only one person. So if you are considering using multi-actor for VTubing, do keep that in mind of this note. But otherwise though, make sure that the VMC streaming is set to enabled. The port number, you can leave it as default, but if for any advanced reason, depending on your tracking solution, depending on the port numbers you have, you can definitely change the port number inside of the hand engine settings. That way you can be able to have, combine your full body tracking setup with your gloves much more easily depending on preference. Once you have all your settings set up here, you're going to click on Update Settings over here. And then you can exit this window or keep it open if you prefer. Now what we're going to do, in order to get VNyan to react to the StretchSense gloves, we need to go over to Menu here, then Settings, then we need to go to Tracking Layers, scroll all the way down to the VMC layers over here basically. Now, VNyan has 4 VMC receivers by default. You could choose any of the VMC receivers here and set it to whichever one you prefer. Once you type in the right number for VNyan, making sure you choose one of the receivers as a StretchSense one, you should be able to see that your finger tracking is working. If by any chance your finger tracking is not working, please double check your firewall for both VNyan and StretchSense with the hand engine and make sure that it is working. Otherwise also, you should definitely check if you have your arm sway, if the arm sway node activated, and make sure that is disabled when using StretchSense. Once you have that, I heavily recommend that for the VMC receiver here, to make sure to disable all the other sliders here except the ones with fingers. That way there's no conflict with your mocap setup. And pretty much, you can even add some smoothness if you prefer over here, so that way you can give your StretchSense glove a little bit more of a smoothness flair. And pretty much that's in a nutshell on how you can connect StretchSense to VNyan. I hope that this tutorial helps you out and I hope you have a lovely day. And again, check out StretchSense, link in the description below, and have a lovely day. See you guys next time. Bye bye! Thank you to all my Snowflake members. In case you don't know, I have YouTube membership, so if you want to further support this channel and what I do, then feel free to join the Snowflake members. Otherwise though, just your support means so much to me and I appreciate every ounce of it. Either way though, with that being said though, hey bye bye everyone! I hope to see you guys next time, okay? Bye bye!